Once upon a time, in a village surrounded by beautiful hills, there lived a kind girl named Ellie. Ellie had a bright smile, red shoes, and a love for adventure. She spent most of her time playing outside, picking flowers and collecting interesting rocks. But Ellie had a secret place, deep in the forest, behind her house, where no one ever went. One sunny afternoon, Ellie decided to visit this secret spot again. She had heard stories from her grandmother about an ancient tree that stood in the middle of the forest, taller and older than any other tree. It was said that this tree could speak, but only to those who truly believed. Ellie wasn't sure if she believed in magic, but her curiosity got the best of her. With a basket in hand, she walked deeper into the woods. The air smelled like pine and fresh earth, and birds sang sweet songs as she passed by. After walking for what seemed like hours, Ellie finally reached the heart of the forest. And there, right in front of her, stood the tree. It was enormous, with thick bark and twisting branches that reached toward the sky. Its roots spread far and wide, creating a small, shaded area beneath it. Ellie stared up at the tree, feeling small in its presence. She wondered if the stories were true. To her surprise, the tree creaked and groaned. "Hello, Ellie," a deep voice said. Ellie gasped and looked around. Who said that?" "I did," the tree replied. "I am the talking tree, and I have been waiting for you." Ellie's heart raced. "Waiting for me? But why?" The tree sighed. "Long ago, I was part of a forest filled with many trees like me, but people started cutting us down. The magic of the forest began to fade. Now, I am the last of my kind. I need your help to bring back the magic." Ellie felt nervous, but also excited. "What do I need to do?" "I need you to find the golden leaf," the tree explained. "It is hidden somewhere in the forest. It holds the last bit of magic that can restore the forest and bring the trees back to life." Ellie didn't hesitate. She knew she had to help. "I'll find the golden leaf, I promise." With a small smile, the tree pointed toward the deepest part of the forest. "The golden leaf can only be found by those who truly believe in magic. Follow your heart." Ellie walked deeper into the forest, her mind filled with wonder. She passed through thick vines, climbed over fallen branches, and crossed streams. Finally, she reached a clearing where a soft light shone from the ground. There, resting on a bed of moss, was the golden leaf. It shimmered with a soft glow, as if it held the very essence of the forest inside it. Ellie carefully picked it up, and the moment she did, the ground beneath her feet rumbled. The tree's voice echoed in her mind. "You have found it, Ellie. Now return it to me." Ellie raced back to the talking tree, holding the leaf tightly in her hand. As she approached, the tree's roots began to glow, and its branches shook with excitement. With a deep breath, Ellie placed the golden leaf into a small hollow in the tree's trunk. Instantly, the entire forest around her seemed to come alive. The tree shimmered with new life. The flowers bloomed brighter, and the air felt warmer. The talking tree stretched its branches, its leaves rustling like laughter. "Thank you, Ellie," the tree said. "You have restored the magic." Ellie smiled, feeling a deep sense of joy in her heart. "I believed in you." From that day on, Ellie returned to the forest often, and the talking tree would tell her stories of the old forest, of magic, and of adventures waiting to be discovered.